Well, hello there and welcome back to the studio. My name is Keila Marciel. If you're new here, I make videos all about helping small independent artists try and make their own online shops. Sometimes I do travel vlogs, stuff like that. But if you've been here before, you might have realized we moved again. But I'll talk about that in a different video because today is all about making holographic stickers. Ooh, shiny. Now, I really never thought I would make holographic stickers, but this brand called Koala Paper sent me some samples. So I've been working on getting everything just right to share with you. And if by the end of the video you're interested in getting some Koala Paper, I will have a coupon code linked in the description box below. All right, let's get started. Okay, first things first. Let's take a look at the Koala Paper. This is their original holographic pack, and you'll get 20 sheets that look like this. To be honest though, I'm most excited for this starry holographic paper, so that's what I'll be using for today's video. I did make a reel using the original holographic paper, which you can check out on my Instagram at Keila Draws if you're interested. Okay, so let's load this starry paper up into the printer, and remember, when printing through the Cricut design space, to toggle on the Use System Dialog option. Then, behind the design space box, when your computer's printing box opens, under either Media or Quality, set the option to Glossy Photo Paper. This will give you the best results. Alright, here come our new shiny stickers, and I personally like to laminate my stickers to protect the ink. But if you use water-soluble ink, then you can skip this step. It's just my preference because I find it's more cost-effective to get cheaper ink and do this step. A lot of people have a hard time laminating, myself included when I first started doing this. But I have a video all about how to use these Avery laminating sheets, which I will link in the description box below. Now, because these sheets are so shiny, I'm covering my cut lines with Scotch brand Magic Matte Tape. This is because the Cricut machine uses a little sensor to find those lines, and it has a light that shines on the sheet. Sometimes the sensor can get confused when that light is bouncing off a sheet that causes a glare. If you've ever gotten an error that says Cricut cannot read sensor marks, then this tape should be able to help you with that. Okay, now we're loading our sheet into the Cricut machine and letting it work its magic. And there you have it, your very own homemade holographic stickers. Just for reference, here is one of my normal stickers. And here is the starry holographic version. And this is the same design on the original holographic paper. And here they are all together. Alright, I hope this video helped you make your very own holographic stickers. If it did, leave a link to your stickers down in the comments and I'll check them out. Also, while you're down there, remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye!